somebody here has a 4-year-old who's nonverbal. I became verbal by age 4. Now, the thing I've got to ask is, are they getting any progress? I always ask, are you getting progress on speech? Because when I was 3, it was obvious that I had some progress and that my speech was slowly coming in. Then there's a point where you're not going to get speech. And there are some kids that can learn to type independently. And I know they're not being cued. They're not. They are typing completely independently, and they describe a sensory disordered world. One of them is Tito Mukapatahe. How can I talk if my lips don't move? I want to answer the question about the full screen. I do not want to crash the internet connections.
Yeah, that was for me. You don't have to worry about that.
The internet connections are too weak for that.
You're fine. That was for me, Temple. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
But yes, you were saying about some people won't speak, and that is a reality.
Some people are not going to speak, and Tito Mukapatahe looks really, can't control his movements, running all around, flapping. And he has a book called How Can I Talk If My Lips Don't Move? And it's available on Amazon. And the way I tested him to make sure that he wasn't cued is I found a picture. We were in a library of an old Scientific American. His mom couldn't possibly have seen it. And it showed a picture of an astronaut in a spacesuit riding a horse in the desert. And I put that down in front of Tito, and I said, tell me about this picture. And he writes Apollo 11 on a horse, really fast on the keyboard, gets up, jumps around. There's no way that could have been cued. He typed it so fast, and she was not touching him.
Absolutely.
And you want to use a tablet. And the reason for a tablet is that when you type on the virtual keyboard, the print appears right next to the keyboard so that you don't have to look up. A lot of them can't make the attention shift that you're going to have to make on a desktop or a laptop unless you put the keyboard up on a box, up by the screen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out